All right, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be going over the new Forex analysis category here inside the Pro Discord. Going to be running through each channel and what you can expect out of this. I'm super excited for this new category. Over the past year and a half or so, we haven't done much to accommodate for our Forex traders, but it's all going to change now. So we've just implemented this new Forex analysis category. Like I said, we brought on some Forex trading professionals, and I'll get into how you can copy their trade signals and setups each morning inside of the Pro Discord. So as soon as you join, you'll see the announcements, the getting started. You can read a little bit about Forex trading if you know nothing, receive pings, and then the trade signals and market insights. Now, you can use these market insights kind of like signals because they are kind of signals in and of themselves. But this is to help you understand, how they're trading Forex, seeing some key levels being marked out so you can take the trade. And you'll notice a lot of these setups have at least a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So they are very profitable setups. Now, the person who actually runs these two channels, Jake Bentley, has been averaging around a 5% growth on his total portfolio month over month on average. Now, it might not sound like a lot, right? 5% month over month. If you've been trading for any extended period of time, you understand how difficult that is to have such consistent gains. And he's posting what he sees literally every single morning here in the Market Insights channel, as well as occasional signals inside of the trade signals. So how can you use these market insights and signals to reap the most reward? Well, we've added something really cool for all of our pro members, and that is actually getting you guys a funded account, right? We will pass a funded account up to $200,000 in trading capital for you within 24 hours. Now, I know that sounds a little bit too good to be true. It's not. It's 100% guaranteed or your money back. So pretty much how it works is that we have a high frequency trading EA that will kind of take advantage of the spreads on a demo account and allow you to pass a Nova funded account within 24 hours. Now, currently, this only works on Nova funding. However, we are adding other brokers or prop firms, you can call them, in the near future. So this will work on other prop firms. For right now, we're just promoting Nova because we have seen consistent payouts from Nova funding. I know there's probably a few mixed opinions about Nova funding as a platform. At the end of the day, they pay out consistently, and we've had good experiences with them. Now, there are a few things you will have to go over, a few rules that you have to follow with Nova funding, which will be answered here in the funded FAQ. One of the main ones is the lot size consistency rule. You can read through this. There is a way around it. So no need to worry about that. But yes, they do pay out. Now, the only kind of caveat to this is that you won't get refunded on the actual challenge itself. So a lot of times, once you pass a prop firm challenge, you'll get refunded the amount that you paid to actually pass the challenge, right? With Nova funding, you don't get refunded. So after you pass, you don't get the money that you paid for the challenge for refunded, which is a little bit unfortunate. But like I said, we'll 100% guarantee to pass a Nova funded challenge for you, anywhere from $50,000 up to $200,000. So first thing you got to do is go to Nova funding, purchase the package that you want to select for your funded account, right, up to 200K. And then you're going to pay for the funded account passing service. Now, it's important to note you must select MT4 when you're purchasing the challenge on Nova funding. Currently, our EA only works for MT4, not MT5. So make sure you select MT4. And then you're going to go here to our Watt page where you can pay for the passing service. Now, this is a paid service, right? We do 100% guarantee your success or a full refund in the event that we don't. It has not happened to us yet. We do have a lot of testimonials and a lot of results. In fact, if I go to the pro results, I think this morning we just passed it for someone within a few hours, right? Literally within a few hours. He has a 200K funded account to trade with now. In literally a few hours, right? It doesn't get much easier than that. And like I said, we will refund in the event that for some reason we don't pass it. And as you can see, right, there's 3 different payment options for whatever Nova funding plan you buy. We have the 50K, the 100K, and then the 200K. Now, this does have to be paid because we are working with a team that has the EA to pass this, right? But if you were to go on Google and look up pass your funded challenge, these prices are the lowest that you will find, right, across the entire internet. I've seen prices go $500, $600, $700 just to pass a 50K challenge, right, alone, let alone a 100K or 200K challenge. We're charging $500 to give you a $200,000 trading account, right? So pretty good deal. If you have the capital to go for this, I'd probably go for this, or at least 100K. if you already have a basic understanding of how to trade Forex. So the kind of overall goal with all of this is to give you guys the opportunity to get a funded account and then use our trade signals and market insights to make money on your funded account, right? A 2 to 3% growth month over month on your account, right? Let's say you don't even get into all the trade signals, but maybe you get into most of them or a few of them, and you're only able to grow your account, let's say 2 to 3% per month with good risk management. 2 to 3% per month on a 100K or 200K account can really add up. Now, we are planning on adding some more features into this category in the future. Don't want to say what they are now, but one of them does include a copy trading EA. So that is planned on happening down the line. Nothing is confirmed yet, but there will be a lot more things inside this Forex analysis category. Like I said, this is inside the Pro Discord. This is not a separate tier. This is available to all of our current Pro members. And we also have Learning Zone with a free course. So if you guys want a beginner trading course on how to trade Forex, just the basics, then you can click here to get access. There is a password. Just type that in, and then you'll get access to the free course. Below that, we have the news alerts, the economic calendar, calculate lot sizes, basic risk management, and then user analysis, where we can post our own analysis and you can take trades along with other users. So that is the basics of the Forex analysis category. Thought I'd make a video to showcase what the Easy team has been working on. We have a ton more updates, not only coming to the Discord, but also to our algorithm, to our software, a few more indicators in the works, which we're going to get out to you guys as soon as possible. So again, if you guys want access to all of this, click the first link in the description below. It comes with access to Easy Algo and the Pro Discord. I'm super excited. There's so much value inside of the Pro now. It almost doesn't even make it worth it for us to charge $60 a month, but we want to help out as many traders as we can. So if that sounds interesting to you, click the first link in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time.